Hi everyone, welcome to our channel MDC News. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about Hero Splendor Plus 100cc engine bike comes with 80 kmpl mileage in budget price by user 13 updated on 26 January 2026. The Hero Splendor Plus is one of two motorcycles that almost everyone in India knows. It has been on the roads for many years and has built a strong image as a simple, reliable, and fuel-efficient bike. Even today, when the market is full of sporty and high-tech motorcycles, the Splendor Plus continues to be a top choice for daily riders who want low running cost and peace of mind. This bike is mainly designed for people who need a dependable two-wheeler for everyday use. Office commuters, small business owners, delivery riders, and even students often prefer the Splendor Plus because it is easy to ride, easy to maintain, and very light on fuel with its 100cc engine and claimed mileage of around 80 kmpl. It clearly focuses on party practicality rather than style or speed. In this article, we will take a detailed and simple look at the Hero Splendor Plus covering its design, engine, mileage, comfort, features, price, and why it is still relevant in today's market. Table of contents. Classic and practical design. The design of the Hero Splendor Plus is simple and familiar. It does not try to look aggressive or sporty. Instead, it follows a clean and traditional look that appeals to riders of all age groups. At the front, the bike gets a rectangular headlamp with a simple visor on top. The indicators are placed neatly on both sides, giving the bike a balanced appearance. The fuel tank has basic graphics which add a little freshness without making it look overdone. Hero offers the Splendor Plus in multiple color options so buyers can choose according to their taste. The side profile is slim, making the bike easy to handle in traffic. The long and flat seat looks basic but is quite practical for daily rides. At the rear, the bike has a simple tail lamp and grab rail which is useful for pillion comfort. Overall, the design may not turn heads, but it looks neat, purposeful, and suitable for daily use. Simple and reliable engine performance. The Hero Splendor Plus is powered by a 97.2cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. This engine is tuned for efficiency and smooth performance rather than high speed or quick acceleration. The engine produces enough power for city riding and short highway trips. It feels smooth at normal speeds and does not vibrate much even after long usage. The bike uses a four-speed gearbox which is easy to operate and beginner friendly. One of the biggest strengths of this engine is its reliability. It can handle daily use without any major issues as long as regular servicing is done. This is one of the reasons why many people trust the Splendor Plus for years. Excellent mileage for daily commuting. Mileage is the biggest highlight of the Hero Splendor Plus. The bike is now to deliver around 70 to 80 kmpl depending on riding style and road conditions. This makes it one of the most fuel efficient bikes in the 100cc segments. For people who travel long distances every day, this high mileage helps to save a lot of money on fuel. Even with rising petrol prices, the Splendor Plus remains an economical option for daily commuting. The fuel tank capacity is also decent, allowing riders to cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. Comfortable ride quality. Comfort is another area where the Splendor Plus performs well. The upright riding position, wide handlebar, and well-padded seat make it comfortable for daily rides. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This setup handles rough roads, speed breakers, and potholes reasonably well. While it is not meant for high-speed riding, it offers a stable and comfortable experience at normal speeds. The lightweight body of the bike also makes it easy to control, especially in city traffic and narrow streets. Overview table key specification. Useful feature for everyday use. The Hero Splendor Plus may not come with advanced digital features, but it offers everything needed for daily riding. It has an analog instrument cluster that shows the speed, fuel level, and basic indicators. The switch gear is simple and easy to use. Some variants come with features like engine cut-off, on-site sand, and improved braking systems for added safety. The bike also focuses on durability. The parts used are long-lasting and spare parts are easily available across the country at affordable prices. Low maintenance and ownership cost, price and value for money. Who should buy the Hero Splendor Plus? Final verdict. Fox. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.